Question number 1. The first vaccine given immediately after birth in the national immunization schedule is. The right answer is A. BCG. Question number 2. BCG vaccine is given to prevent. The right answer is A. Tuberculosis. Question number 3. At what age is the first dose of pentavalent vaccine scheduled in India? The right answer is B. 6 weeks. Question number 4. OPV 0 dose should be administered. The right answer is A. At birth within 15 days. Question number 5. Measles rubella first dose is given at. The right answer is B. 9 months. Question number 6. Which of the following vaccine is given via intradermal route in the schedule? The right answer is A. BCG. Question number 7. Vitamin A supplementation is started along with which vaccine? The right answer is C. EMA at 9 months. Question number 8. IPV is introduced in the schedule at. Right answer is B. 6 weeks. Question number 9. Hepatitis B birth dose should be given whether. The right answer is B. 24 hours. Question number 10. Fractional IPV is administered by which route? The right answer is B. Intradermal. Question number 11. The booster dose of DPT is scheduled at. The right answer is B. 16 to 24 months. Question number 12. The second booster dose of DPT is given at. The right answer is A. 5 years. Question number 30. TT is recommended for all pregnant women starting from. Right answer is A. First trimester. Question number 40. In the universal immunization program, which vaccine is given at birth, 6, 10, and 14 weeks? The right answer is B. OPV. Question number 50. Japanese encephalitis vaccine is included in the schedule at. The right answer is A. 9 months. Question number 60. The total number of OPV doses in the Indian schedule is. The right answer is C. 5. Question number 70. Pentavalent vaccine protects against all except. The right answer is C. Polio. Question number 80. Which vaccine is contraindicated in immunocompromised children? The right answer is A. OPV. Question number 90. First booster of MR vaccine is given at. The right answer is A. 15 to 18 months. Question number 20. Rotavirus vaccine is started at. The right answer is B. 6 weeks. Question number 21. The maximum age limit to start rotavirus vaccine is. The right answer is D. 6 months. Question number 22. Typhoid conjugate vaccine is recommended in India at the age of. The right answer is B. 1 year. Question number 23. HPV vaccine is recommended for girls starting from. The right answer is B. 9 years. Question number 24. Influenza vaccine is ideally started at. The right answer is D. 6 months. Question number 25. Rabies vaccine is included in. The right answer is B. Only post-exposure. Question number 46. Yellow fever vaccine is mandatory for travels too. Right answer is A. Africa and South America. Question number 27. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine is started at. The right answer is D. 6 weeks. Question number 28. BCG is contraindicated in. Right answer is B. Symptomatic HIV infection. Question number 49. What is the correct schedule for hepatitis B vaccine? The right answer is B. 0, 6 weeks and 14 weeks. Question number 30. Rubella vaccine is avoided in. The right answer is A. Pregnancy. Question number 35. Cold chain is maintained for vaccines at. The right answer is D. 2 to 8 degrees centigrade. Question number 32. VVM is used to monitor. The right answer is A. Heat exposure. Question number 33. Which vaccine is most heat sensitive? The right answer is D. OPV. Question number 34. Which vaccine is most sensitive to freezing? The right answer is A. Hepatitis B. Question number 35. Which vaccine leaves a scar after administration? The right answer is C. BCG. Question number 36. The interval between polio-parenteral vaccines should be at least. The right answer is A. 2 weeks. Question number 37. A nurse should shake test which vaccine to detect freezing damage? The right answer is A. Hepatitis B. Question number 38. Pentavalent vaccine should be given via. The right answer is B. Intramuscular. Question number 39. MMR vaccine includes protection against. The right answer is A. Measles, mumps, and rubella. Question number 40. Which vaccine can be given simultaneously with other vaccine at different sites? The right answer is D. All vaccines.